that?
Holy crap.
Is that the truck?
That's the truck, bro.
Yes! Oh my goodness.
I'll be damned.
I'm Joe Gaddis. I'm the owner of Apocalypse Manufacturing.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Ashley, and I'm co-owner here at Apocalypse. I'm also Joe's wife. Why are you laughing?
I build the trucks, and Ashley's family sells them.
I'm really good at it. Someone give me some freaking credit.
They're over the top. They're New Jersey extra.
That's what we do to build the brand, though, Joe.
We transform average trucks into jaw-dropping monstrosities.
Look at this.
No way!
So nobody else has something like this?
Nobody.
Nobody's doing what we're doing, and everybody wants one.
That is the greatest sound in the world.
Oh, my God.
It takes passion to transform each truck, but it takes a family to create a dynasty.
Truck Dynasty. New series premieres Tuesday, August 12th at 9 on Discovery.